In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open ChatGPT and start a new chat. Whether you're new to ChatGPT or you're brushing up on how to get started again, follow these instructions to make sure your experience is smooth and straightforward. To begin, you'll want to open ChatGPT on your device, whether it's your computer or your phone. If you're accessing it through a web browser, simply type in the URL and hit Enter. You should be taken directly to the homepage or login screen, depending on your device settings and how you last used the platform. From the homepage, you'll want to look for a New Chat button or link. This is usually prominently displayed, so it shouldn't be hard to find. Clicking this will prepare the ChatGPT for your input, creating a fresh slate for all the thoughts and questions you want to explore today. Next, think of the main topic you want to explore. It's best to start with a clear and concise request. This ensures that ChatGPT understands the direction you wish to take and provides information that is most relevant to you. For instance, if you're crafting a YouTube video script about the top 5 AI tools for digital marketing in 2025, you'd want to clearly specify this in your prompt to guide the chatbot accordingly. After you've typed out your main topic, you might need to refine the style or format to better suit your needs. For this, use follow-up prompts to communicate any specific changes or adjustments you require. For example, you may want to make the script more casual and engaging, or maybe insert bullet points for each tool you plan to discuss. These tweaks can significantly affect how your content is presented, making it more appealing to your intended audience. At times, you might feel that the script needs more details or additional sections for clarity or context. If that's the case, don't hesitate to guide ChatGPT with further instructions. Ask it to add an introductory hook or a call to action at the end if needed. This ensures that your script has a structured flow, capturing interest right from the start and encouraging viewers to interact or engage with what you've created. Once you're satisfied with the script, it's important to save or copy the final version. This ensures that all your ideas and instructions are preserved for when it's time to record or edit. You can easily check back on all the necessary content without having to repeat any steps, saving you a lot of time and effort. And that's it. With these steps, you've effectively navigated through creating a new chat session with ChatGPT, tailored its responses to your needs, refined the output, and saved your work for future use. I hope you found this guide useful. As you become more familiar with these processes, you'll be able to create content more efficiently and creatively.